The Riverside Station project was approved with a unanimous vote by the City Council on Monday night. The project is expected to bring in $1.65 million in tax revenue for the city. Here are some details about the project.
The Riverside project will be the second largest development project following the new Northland project on Needham Street. The roughly 1 million square foot mixed-use space will be converted into 10 buildings. This will include 582 apartments with 103 permanently affordable, 254 offices, and a 150-room hotel, 39,000 square feet of ground retail space, and a 1,971-space parking garage that will be shared with the MBTA. The developer, Mark Development, will finance a new exit ramp from I-95 North with direct access into the project, and there will be a new rotary on Grove Street on the southbound side of I-95. Recreation Road will also be converted to a two-way road. The city is to receive $7.2 million in mitigation funding for improvements, with $1.5 million for Williams School, $3 million for the Riverside Charles River Trail Network, $1.4 million for sewer system upgrades, and $1.4 million for neighborhood improvements. The project could start in 2022.